Nation and resolve. On July 2nd, 1776, the Continental Congress voted for independence. 2 days later, on July 4th, it officially adopted the Declaration of Independence. The document begins with a profound preamble that states the philosophical foundation of American democracy. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. It then lists 27 grievances against King George III, citing his refusal to assent to laws, his interference with justice, his imposition of taxes without consent, and his use of military force against the colonies. These examples form the case for separation. The final section of the Declaration formally dissolved the political bonds between the colonies and Britain, announcing the birth of a new nation. References: Avalon Project, Meyer, 1997.